another video. Today we're playing more Slime Rancher 2. As requested, I can't remember, I think I said hit 1 like, but honestly this game is so fun. I'm just going to give this video for free. Let's do it. Let's just play more. Slime Rancher, of course. 2, we're continuing where we left off last video. As I bought the silo, I stored my pogo fruits in it. As you can see over there, let's go get some good, let's go start exploring to get more fruit and all that food. So, I guess, I want to make a, if I get, now, I'm just going to record this, let's do it, okay. Pogo fruit, more of them. No, you're not eating those hen-hens today. No, those are mine. I'm just gathering food to put in my storage house. And I'll go grab some plorts too as I do it. Okay, give me some more of these. I think I'm gonna build a new farm, so let's just go. No, those are mine. Let's just go and grab all these plorts so we can start like, to make it, I'm gonna need more food to be able to feed these things so then I can get more. Let's go back up. I can't exactly remember if this is the, no, I'm going the wrong way. Now I remember it, I would have picked up those carrots. And you touch those carrots, I murder you. Give me those. Okay, I have enough. I'm gonna steal those. Steal these plorts, they'll come very much handy. And I can't remember if this is the right way. I just messed up my directions again. Don't remember it going downhill. That's a cave. There's some random tabbies here, pretty cool. Okay, give me those, give me these, give me these. I need to find my house again. This was supposed to be so much easier. First of all, you don't touch those plorts because I need them for money. No, those are my plorts. I'm really sorry, but they're mine. Can't remember if I went the same exact wrong way again. I have to way back. Wait. Okay, let's go. Like I said, let's go and feed, like, yum, yum. Yum, 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 yum. Start, like, blasting carrots into here for you guys to nicely enjoy. I gotta suck these things in by hand. These tabby slimes will just shoot. I just need these. I just need the plorts. Okay. Let them munch down on these while I go trade these things in. Okay, did I grow any food? Yeah, at least. Add some more of those. It's over there. Wait, what do I... Let's go. and into be sucking in like all of these plorts. Yum 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 yum. Let's quickly like press this button. Suck in the last of the plorts, which I got 2 of them it looks like. Okay, let's go over. Wait, let's go suck these things in so I can trade those in for some money. Oops, I missed. And here we go. That should be enough to like. Nope, not quite yet. Let's make a number corral. Let's get. Spore shield. Okay, we're gonna make this Krabby the best one. So with that, I'm gonna go off to explore. I'm gonna see if I can't unlock any new areas. So I should be buying some new stuff besides this. Okay, can I go this way for some? Ooh, aw. The gully. Okay, let's just save up some money to buy the gully, I guess. Let's go to the gully. So, first of all, we got those guys that eat veggies. Those guys eat meat. Let's just go suck in a bunch of random plorts. For now, we'll be out there collecting plorts. And that's the plort number. More pink plorts, you eat those, I will murder. Thank you. No, 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 give me those, no, 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 no. No, yes, no, yes, yeah, yes. Yeah. Yay. Eat that. I would like murder him. Okay. More plorts, here I come. Let's just collect a bunch of these plorts. Let's just, like, they'll eat their own stuff and I was going to collect it. So, which way am I going? Am I going towards, like... No, this is a whole new area, okay. And here's some more of these. I will gladly take these. They'll be... You thought you could eat that? That's too bad. Like he's just chilling on top of water cabbage. Look at him. He's like, look. He's just like chilling on top of water cabbage. Be happy. Good thing. Okay, I'll shoot him back out because you don't deserve to be like that. You have to take all your guys' plorts so I can become more rich. Hey, this is an area I haven't been in yet, it looks like. And that's how I'm gonna get some new unexplored area, I guess. Let's take the plorts with me. Once I'm full on one type of plort, doesn't look like there's any more cotton slimes. What knocks me out is when ooh. Too many of those already. There's some more cotton. He's so far away from everybody else. Oh god, that was super close. I could go get rid of these headhands. I got a lot of plorts. It's not trying to kill myself. Let's head back. With a bunch of these things, of course. Chickadee. Berries, don't need those. I could feed you that. Oh, wait, yeah. there's a large old bunny. I'm back outside the cave area. I love philosopher slime, so what do they eat? They eat fruit, so food normally isn't on the ground that often. Oh, definitely. I got 19. Don't eat that. I need that. There's 20. There's so many ports, but I can't take any of them. Oh, well, I've gotten a lot of ports. This should equal a lot of money. And there's a... I will give you veggies. No. Those are mine. Just eat those. I'll go fill up on veggies. Don't worry. It's not that hard. There's too many veggies around here anyways. Aha! Now this is how I'm going to go get myself some stuff for the philosopher slimes. Okay, there's one. I'll start blasting it up there, and I'll take that. Well, I don't need those, but I need more importantly is to feed that gigantic bunny. I'll just fire it up there, I guess. Actually, these philosopher slimes are actually very important. Where's my corral? I'm going back. Plort. This will make corral, okay. We've made it, let's go. We are here. Wait. I don't need this. I just need to squeeze these things in very quickly. Maybe this is how I plant the stuff. Okay. First of all, let's go and like blast these yummy chickens into the tabby's pen. Second of all, you can't be here. No, for second of all, you can't be here. Yeet! Third of all, let's go on like... I forgot to choose on growing. That makes life so much easier. Okay. That's a lot of this. That's probably enough to be able to get myself a new corral. I have to buy high walls. I would normally buy that. Okay, we can get 500 now, so back to either grabbing more food. Now growing some food, that's good. It could hurt to make another garden to grow fruits. So I'll start hucking these things everywhere. It's time to go gather some more plants. Never going over here. Remember going to an area there was so have enough room in my vac tank. Normally I'll take those carrots. Have a farm growing. Okay. This is the area I mean that there are. There's so many pig plorts. No, stop eating that. Go. This is my area. Nope, get out of there. Just stop, you meanie. You need to stop. You're like murdering everybody and it's not fun. Okay, let's just go mix these plorts. I'm just gonna casually steal their plorts. I don't want cocoa fruit. You know what? That's enough of that. Get out of here. Get out of here. No, I know how to stop them. I remember. No, stay. Is a type of veggie, but it's a pretty rare type of veggie, so I actually will bring some of that so I can grow it. No! Get away, bro! You're killing everyone. No, you stay away from those plants. You know how serious I am with my plants. Okay, back up here. I found another way to get back up to my corral. Go back. Okay. No, I would've. Okay, but now's the time I need to grow another garden. I'd like to make it more organized, so to make it more organized, to make another garden. Okay. Okay, now it's growing water lettuce. I will buy a silo. So let me quickly I need to feed some stuff. Got 3 more plants. These tabby cats only feed off. Basically, they actually. Well, that's enough of you guys. I'm releasing you guys all back into the wild. It's someone else's time to live. Bye. Last porch of those tabbies. I've used them all now. Let's just like something with a basic, like, since you guys can eat just about everything, I'll use these to feed. Since these guys can eat just about anything, I'll gather a bunch of these guys. Let's do this. So let me go find some. Give me these. I'm not expecting it to be collecting these guys, but for once in my life, I actually am. There's only really one reason for that. They're an easy thing to get ports from, so they'll eat anything, just about. Let's go, like, blast some more. Get in there. So you do. Okay. We did our buddy, so finally we have grown enough carrots to feed them again. We've grown a full 20. Yeah, let's continue growing those. Okay. we have so more carrots now. Let's wait for these guys to eat all those. I need to remove this plot of land. We'll start saving. We'll start saving after. Start. Okay, we have gotten a lot of these plants, which is normally a pretty good sign when you want plants. Suck in some more of them. Gotten 2, which that's the max I can have anyways. I'm gonna start clearing these out. I show you what that gives us? We have gotten a lot of money now. Now, I don't really care, but I need to get that. I need to keep the other slabs away. And I gotta get some upgrades for that. So I'll just go grab some more of these slimes. Grab some of these carrots. So we can start feeding these things. For now, we'll use those. But also, I am grabbing some of these pogo fruits. What? Okay guys, I'm back. Is skating in. You jump right off the cliff. You find the line that says jump off here. No, you find it yourself. Okay, I'm back for my commotion. Now I am some more stuff as I keep pulling all these carrots. Also be grabbing more slimes if you can find any of the normal ones. Because I can't find any of the normal ones, all I can find is the ones have been affected. But for now, that's looking pretty good. We've got a good amount, okay. Let's grab the last of these guys. Christine chose to live in my ranch, super lucky. We start heading back to my ranch. I need to find the directions to again. I will stay at the highest point I can possibly find. Okay, it's over this way. Okay, there's another one that gets sucked in. You also get sucked in. You're stuck in the corner. Yum 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 yum. Yum 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 yum. Yum. I gotta remove that. I also gotta make an omelet collector for this in like soon, so I am for once in my life gonna start with an omelet collector. I need to get an omelet collector for these. So let's just keep firing these and give myself an omelet collector soon, which should be 500. An easy source. Go on 3 more. These guys eat pretty quickly. So the blast. 4 more to get some more money from that. For now, I have enough room. I'm just gonna like start collecting the port, and I may. launching these guys in here for now. I still got more, it looks like. So let's pour some more of these things in. We almost have enough for an Alba Collector. You just gotta grab probably the rest of these. Let's go. Now, I know we're picking up the pink slimes with us. Okay. Good. And that's about all the plorts. We also gotta launch the slimes back in now. There we go. We got the slimes. We got 10 of them. I still don't think that'll be enough to get the elbow. But maybe. Just barely. We're just short by like 1 plort. Okay. I could probably just find a random plort that's someone 8 on the map around. Finally got some lettuce. It's finally done. Finally got some more lettuce. I'm gonna shoot the water lettuce into these guys' thing. There we go. It's like... Even these two give us enough. We'll let them munch down. Like, sorry guys, like and subscribe. Okay, I made it. There's like and subscribe button. Now we're gonna put in auto collector on these guys. If ever that. So now let's start auto collecting any of the plorts. So far we have none, but I will throw a few of these inside of here. I also gotta save some of these. I'm gonna build, the corrals will be over here. 2 corrals. Some more plots up here. Well, like that. Guards will be right here. Well, no, it's gonna look so goofy, but I also really... I guess I'll just keep it. I ain't that bad. Okay. But now we just need to feed some stuff. So now we're honestly just saving up for the purpose of just gonna collect the plorts. I'll take those. I'm gonna try to get into some new areas, so without getting lost. Which that means I gotta buy some areas that'll lead up into. So that means I'm gonna need some more plorts or some more money. So I guess I'll gather some of them from the wild. Just gonna find some of the plorts from the wild, I guess. I'm gonna take all those with me. And so far we have a few plorts that are right here. We do want to collect these red ones. Shoot those, give me the red plorts, pink plorts I meant. We got the plorts, now let's like, eventually, nope, give me all these plorts, get out of here. Give me that, no, stop eating the plorts. No. Drink. Gimme. A big adventure for more. Oh my god, this place had so many plorts that were uncollected, I think. I'm just gonna. Wait. There's the tabbies. Okay. pretty good. And a lot more pogo fruit. Okay, I guess we can see we're starting to get closer to a new area. Let's say that's a stony hen. Is meat. Tabbies only eat meat. Makes feeding them almost impossible. Always meat's super difficult to find, kind of. Actually, also kind of like partially not worth it. Okay, I ran into. Jump! Well, I died. That ain't good. Okay, let's do it. We're back up. How many ports did we gather while we were going? We got 26 of these. Still gathering more. Okay, we'll go grab those. Actually, I quickly gotta trade these all for money. Money. Oh my god, we made a lot of money off of that. We made a decent amount of it. How much do we got now? Okay, we're gonna go start sucking those. We got. How much of these did we get? Oh yeah, we could. I think we could only possibly get 2. Our food should be ready by now, so I'm gonna quickly just gonna throw those in and give me some of that. Okay. Yep, we have some carrots. I will be making another. I can feed them myself. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's get fed some of these. Fight among that. We also got some water lettuce, which I will collect. You guys only get a little bit of fruit, because these guys can't eat fruit. I'm gonna give you guys all the fruit. I want to make a fruit one, which the one after I can demolition that, which I actually could like right now. So really, you guys will only be getting a little bit. So let's just demolition that right now. Let's demolition that. Then I'm gonna make a garden. And then we're gonna see that 5th one. We'll go take all those 5 of those. Go see. Okay. Okay, we got all those. Okay. Let's go and like feed them these now. We got a lot. Like collect so we can get like some decent upgrades off the bat. Like a garden. And then I'm definitely gonna want the have done this. We're gonna upgrade that garden, and then after that, I will be just about ready. Really? Okay, there's the fruit we need. There's the food I need. Nope. You guys live in the wild. I have my own garden. You guys can have all these. I'll give that to you guys. I don't need to steal all your guys' food in the wild. I will steal a little bit of it because I can't help myself. It's just so good. Okay, so now we're gonna go get some more cottontails. So the first time I've done this in a little while is grab more cottontails for this. So that means you're also gonna need to produce more of these carrots. Or don't worry, I'm taking you guys with them. I'm taking you guys. Nope. Can you stay away from those? Nope. Nope. I'm taking you with me. Thank you. Now where's my corral? Because we're gonna go back. We're gonna give these. You bring these. Okay, so now it's feeding time. 1, 2, 3, 4. I forgot to mention that, so I'm adding more of you guys. Well, this also means. Yum, 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 yum. Okay, if you guys are watching this video, I don't know how, but I don't even know if my phone's still on or my phone's dead. It looks like it's still on. Let's see how many of these ports we got. Oh, we got 21 of them. We got a lot of those. Ha! Okay. I'm like, give me some more money. Let's try to make some adds to the garden. Okay, let's see how much we got in. Got 6 of them. Let's go. Let's go and blast these very quickly over to this. Yep. Then we got enough to let's start making. We got the garden ready. It's like now we're growing pogo fruits. We need that. So we just need a few more money. So go like quickly feed these things to them. I just need like one of you guys' ports. I just need, that will work for now. Because now that I do, I can now officially just save. I just need to get that for the crops. It always grows a full batch. No, it always grows a full batch. I got 1 leather lettuce. I'm also gonna buy that for these. I've And you get fed water lettuce. You have like a 1 of them, I guess. And now let's soak these things up. We have 4, I guess. Let's go. If we buy that area, we're gonna want to like build a new corral maybe. You could just like sit at home, I guess. That's really just about it. For my food to grow and sleep into the morning. It's morning time. The tartars will be gone. And let's see what happened, dude. My things grew overnight. Let's go collect them. Let's do it again. So we buy that. So we have okay, we have 20 of them. You guys get. Whee! There we go. Now we got the water lettuce we gotta grab next. Which that. There's the them because they can. To also bring these pogo fruits over to these guys. Pretty cool. We got all of these. Now these should start growing. And now these should start growing. But first of all, start by blasting all these water lettuces into the air. So that we'll be blasting these into this. There we go. We got 40 of them. Okay, we've got an extra. We need to start blasting these. Now we're starting to really make some money. It should be in no time. No! Stop it! I should have enough. I got all 19 of them. Let's go and like. All those. Now we're gonna. By nutrient soil amount, we got all of them have nutrient soil. Let's go trade in the money for the day. How much? Second the rest of them if it hasn't made it. Okay, now we gotta grab all 14 of these. All 14 of these. Get in there. I feel like they only slept in 6 of them. Okay. We got our reports, and we're gonna just the next day. And victory. Check the conservatory. We've gotten a whole nother load of carrots. Or a lot of the carrots. And boom. Gone like all the water lettuce. They've gotten. There should be. Okay, we got all 20 of them. Then you guys can, these things all get over there. They give themselves. Let's also get all the water lettuce. Don't remember. And then let's get all those pogo fruits. But here you go. Here's all your pogo fruits. The day. No, they got down to bacon. We have gotten 41 of them. Then exactly 40. So now, last week, money. Let's do this. And we've made oh god, we better not let any of those things get out. That's legit actually a decent amount of money right there. Just laying on the floor. Any one of those pink things can just steal. Pick right up and steal. Luckily, I won't let them. Come and see, we got 20 of them ports. Let's go collect all 20 of them. 2 of them fell on the ground, it must have. We got all 20, let's go. Fast forward to the next day. Feed them. Come. We'll feed them one more time, guys, and then I'm going to end the video. There, guys. And I'm going to build another thing so I can put some. After that, I should have enough to go to the new land, but. Put all these. Gotten them. Let's go and like. Well, these guys just get water carrots. These guys just get carrots and. I just like. They always have food normally. Here's your food. Just 20 pogo fruits for the day. Let's go for to get myself. This time we get 43. Now to take all these guys over rabbit. And which we should have 20. Gotta take in there. Fair enough, we'll trade in for money. I have one last load of money for you guys. I think we have a few more loads of money. So actually we got a few more loads. Singly, you've gotten a lot more cotton ports lately than normally, which is good. That means I get, it's like, that's about it for the cotton ports. But we got 6 more, let's go. And with that, I'm going to end today's video. That's how much money we've got. See you in the next video, bye.